Welcome to our channel. If you have a Green Dot Rewards card and want to activate it while claiming your reward points, follow these step-by-step instructions to start using your benefits. Step 1. Visit the Green Dot Rewards website by typing the URL provided on your card materials into your web browser. You can also download the Green Dot mobile app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on Activate Card or Register on the website homepage, or select the same option in the mobile app. This will take you to the card registration page. Step 3. Enter your Green Dot Rewards card number, which is the 16-digit number printed on the front of your card. Make sure to type all digits accurately to avoid errors. Step 4. Provide the 3-digit CVV security code located on the back of your card. This code is typically found in the signature panel area and adds security to your activation. Step 5. Enter your personal information, including your full name, email address, phone number, date of birth, and residential address. This information is necessary for identity verification and account setup. Step 6. Create a username and password for your Green Dot Rewards account. Choose credentials that are secure but memorable, following any password requirements displayed on the screen. Step 7. After activating your card, navigate to the rewards section of your account. Here you can view available points, claim pending rewards, and see your transaction history that earned you points. Step 8. To claim your points, select the rewards you want to redeem and follow the prompts to transfer points or receive cashback. Check your email for confirmation of successful activation and any rewards claimed. Your card is now ready to use and earn more points. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.